What it do, what it do, what it do? Big doula coming through just for you. With a grinder, a mini grinder sandwich, and some Taki lime kettle chips. And I think these are dragon. Y'all know this ain't for Big Doula. I can't handle the spice. This is for my kids. They wanted something simple today for dinner. So, yeah. Mini grinder sandwiches. I have the sub sauce with it. Still making some. Chopping it up. Yeah. And for a drink, we have like a strawberry, what was it? Strawberry lemonade drink. Let me go ahead and say